In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop with Planner and To-Do. We'll connect an existing Planner plan into a Loop page, make it interactive, and then use Loop's task list to create items that automatically sync to Planner and show up in your Microsoft To-Do. This gives you one place to brainstorm, plan, and execute without duplicating work. Start in Microsoft Planner and open a plan you already use. At the top of the board, next to the plan's name, open the drop-down menu and choose Copy Link to Plan. If you don't see that option, make sure you have access to the plan and that it's not restricted. Now switch to Microsoft Loop and open a workspace where your team collaborates. Any page will do. Think of this as your hub for notes, ideas, and components. Paste the planner link directly onto the page. In a moment, Loop will recognize it and offer an embedded view. If you're prompted, choose to embed so you get the full interactive experience. You'll see a live Kanban-style board appear right inside Loop. From here, you can scroll through buckets, open task details, assign people, set due dates, and even drag tasks between buckets, all without leaving the page. It's the same plan you saw in Planner, just accessible where your team is already working. For advanced settings, you can still open the plan in the Planner app, but most day-to-day updates can happen right here. Next, on the same Loop page, type /task list to insert a lightweight task list. This is perfect for quick capture during meetings or brainstorming. Add task titles, assign owners, and add due dates as needed. Behind the scenes, these items are created in Microsoft Planner, so you're not creating a separate disconnected list. Everything is part of your broader task ecosystem. As you make changes in Loop, whether it's updating an assignment, modifying a deadline, or marking something complete, those updates sync in real time with Planner, and changes made in Planner flow right back into Loop. That two-way connection means everyone can work in the app they prefer without worrying about version drift. Finally, anything assigned to you, whether from the Loop task list or the embedded planner board, automatically appears in the Assigned to Me list in Microsoft To Do. That's where you can manage your personal day, prioritize, and set reminders, knowing it all stays connected to the team's plan. Use this workflow to brainstorm in Loop, turn ideas into tasks instantly, track progress on the embedded board, and manage your personal follow-ups in To Do. It's a simple, integrated way to keep teamwork and personal productivity in sync.